What up, YouTube? It's your boy Cartel here. Today is day number 26, posting content on YouTube every single day. If you don't follow the channel, you need to, okay? I'm showing you guys how to make some real money, okay? Thousands, millions, potentially, okay? So if you haven't subbed up to the channel, I want to talk to you guys about YouTube monetization, all right? You should be getting monetized on YouTube and you should be doing this ASAP. I want you guys to understand it's possible for everybody. Make tons of content, okay? Create just whatever you can create and just get better at it. 1%. That's all you need. 1% every single day. And that is going to get the job done. I want to encourage all my subscribers, all my followers, all my viewers to make content every day, okay? Today here in Texas, we made tons of content. Curb wise, we didn't make no curbs today. It was too windy, right? It's a little bad weather here in Texas. Obviously, it could be worse, but that's okay. We're gonna keep making content every single day, okay? I want to encourage you guys to make videos somehow, some way, and post it on your YouTube channel, okay? I recommend you don't focus on the shorts, focus on the long form videos, okay? Those are where you're gonna make your most money. Those are where you're gonna get your most views. Those are where you're gonna get your most watch time at, okay? So understand that and just make tons and tons of content. Again, YouTube is for everybody. It doesn't matter who you are, young, old, whether you're busy, not busy, it does not matter. It does not discriminate against anybody, okay? So you got to understand that. You just got to make content, make videos, and get creative, people, okay? Make the best videos you can. Learn from other people, okay? And just create. YouTube is for everybody, all right? Everybody. I got a lot of curbs planned. That'll be pretty cool. I think you guys are going to like it for sure. Other than that, I plan on making a lot of long form content, guys, so just be ready. I'm making tons and tons of long form content. I want to help you guys out the best I can. All right, I want to help you guys out the best I can, and I do that by just making tons of content, keeping you guys up to date the best way I can. And in your end, you could do that. You can stay up to date by just subbing up, okay? That way you get notified when I go live and I post my videos. I want to help you guys get monetized this year, okay? My advice to you, make videos, guys, every day. Get used to it, learn from it, and get better. Content creation is for everybody. Everybody, all right? You can do it. Keep creating, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.